working on the fuel system. Moving it up front. I don't want them to know what this is done. I don't want them to know what we're doing.
Oh, okay.
I'm playing.
Top secret.
So we just got the car back together after doing a ton of upgrades over the last 8 to 10 months. As soon as we get it back together, we start having fuel pressure issues.
Look at that arbor or something being, ain't it? Yeah. Jesus. This should have went with the smaller one.
After several phone calls back and forth between us and Aeromotive and several people that Mike is friends with and trusts throughout the racing community, it was decided that the issue was most likely because we had the fuel system set up in the back of the car and it really needed to be in the front. So Mike made the decision to redo the fuel system and move everything to the front of the car, which was really a lot bigger deal than what we expected it to be.
And that's okay. Well, I just wanna be happy. How to get there? Glad that you asked me. I think it's different for everyone. Some of us need work, others need fun. Some of us need purpose to overcome. But try to do what you love when it's said and done. Cause there's so many differences in each of us. Trust your gut, it can show you what you want. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah.
Who's laying Steve Clark? He said it looks slow.
Listen. Ready? Yep. Pass the pressure test.
Sometimes a 10-minute video doesn't paint an accurate picture of how long this process actually takes. So I want to take a minute and thank Eric Kennedy for all of the help that you have given Mike throughout this whole process. All of the welding, the fabricating, the bouncing ideas off of each other, the late nights you guys have spent in the shop. Thank you. I also want to take a minute and thank all of the 573 boys. This group of guys will absolutely do anything for each other. I've seen them work all night long to rewire cars, to rebuild transmissions, just so they could race again the next day. And to have a friend group that is so tight-knit and so willing to help each other is just amazing. And we could not be more thankful to be a part of it.
What are you doing? Filling hose. These brackets are what hold the motor and motor in the car. The motor is slow. I like it going slow. That makes a good cut. No more power than I make. Be fine. I'll do my wife. Ream it out. I need a 90 for my regulator, and then when we get the tank, then when we get the tank mounted, I don't know if I need a 45 because my return is going to go straight to the side. It's got to come in like this, and it's got to get this front wall. So I may just need a 45 to do that instead of a 90. Well, homemade fitting action. Ah, damn it. Eric didn't measure this out right. I gotta quit letting Eric measure stuff. It's the fuel post. I guess the wastegate.
I tried to tell you.
Anytime you completely change your setup, you're going to have some kinks and bugs to work out when you get it going. Ours just happened to be fuel pressure. So hopefully now we can get some testing in, get us some data, and we're going to be good to go.